Searching for a natural and effective weight management supplement, you've likely come across MITOLYN. This herbal supplement claims to boost metabolism, promote weight loss, and improve overall health by targeting the body's mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. While it has gained popularity among many users for its effectiveness, it's important to explore not only the positive reviews but also the potential complaints to get a complete picture of this product. So what are people saying about MITOLYN? On the positive side, most user reviews highlight its ability to help with consistent weight loss, increased energy levels, and overall better health. Many users report feeling more energized within just a few weeks of starting the supplement, which they attribute to MITOLYN's mitochondrial enhancing properties. One user mentioned losing 12 pounds in 2 months without drastic changes to their diet or lifestyle. Another customer praised its ingredients, particularly maqui berry and rhodiola, for helping reduce stress-related weight gain while also improving their mental clarity. These ingredients, combined with amla, theobroma cacao, and schisandra, create a powerful formula that supports fat burning, digestion, and immunity. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there have been some complaints about MITOLYN that are worth discussing. The most common complaint is that the results can vary from person to person. Some users expected quicker weight loss and were disappointed when they didn't see significant results within the first few weeks. It's important to note that MITOLYN is not a magic pill, but a supplement that requires consistency and time to deliver optimal results. Additionally, some users reported mild bloating during the initial days of use, which typically subsided as their bodies adjusted to the formula. Another common concern is the pricing at $59 for a single bottle. Some users felt it was on the pricier side compared to other weight loss supplements. However, the company does offer discounts on bulk orders, such as $49 per bottle for a 3-month supply or $39 per bottle for a 6-month supply, along with free shipping for the larger packages. These options make it more affordable for those willing to commit to a long-term plan. A notable complaint is the availability of MITOLYN. It is only sold through the official website, which some customers find inconvenient. While this exclusivity ensures product authenticity and quality, others have expressed frustration that they cannot purchase it from third-party retailers like Amazon or local health stores. However, this measure is in place to protect customers from counterfeit products, which are a common issue in the supplement market. Lastly, MITOLYN is backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee, which has reassured many hesitant buyers. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can return the product, even empty bottles, for a full refund, no questions asked. This policy demonstrates the company's confidence in its formula and provides a risk-free opportunity to try the product. In conclusion, MITOLYN has received mostly positive reviews for its ability to promote weight loss and improve energy levels naturally. While there are some complaints about price, availability, and individual results, the overall feedback suggests that MITOLYN is a promising supplement for those looking to manage their weight and enhance their health. If you're considering MITOLYN, be sure to purchase it from the official website to ensure authenticity and take advantage of their satisfaction guarantee.